mahaba-habang laban to. Tingnan mo may error sa San Sebastian.
I thought I was talking. I was talking to Coach Mac nga about it. You're attacking well, you're blocking well, but if you're gonna commit 11 unforced errors in one set, you gotta forget about it.
Yup.
Yun yung nangyari sa San Sebastian there in set 2, but not to take anything away from Letran. They're playing really, from the first games that we covered them, they're playing a more cohesive brand of volleyball. Sangmuang has been leading the charge for this Letran, and you know, winning a set is just fitting.
Well, it's about time din para dito sa Letran. Alam naman natin malakas na kupunan nito. Sangmuang, naibalik yan ni Roses. At Ogana, ginamit yung kanyang kanan. Kaliwete po yan. Bowley, stop there by Lacerna. Espelita, free ball. Trish, op. Again, the developing setter, Trish Crisostomo.
Still has a lot to learn.
Yeah, pero she's actually performing pretty well, especially in the first set.
Well, some top scorers here.
English na yun, ha?
For Letran, Sangmuang with 10 and Ku with 8. San Sebastian, Bowley 14 and Roses 9.
At itong si Jolina Labiano nakakuha ng puntos na naman. 1-all. Third set. Medyo low percentage yata eh. I mean, she goes for it, she gets it done, pero yung mga time talaga na alanganin. 2-1, Ogana. Nice serve by Ogana. Here's Bowley. Ayan. Changing direction.
Dapat ata Roses mag-set sa kanila.
Oo. Yan natin, no? Iniba niya direksyon eh. Mukhang cross-court no simula. 2-all. Verbano. And here's Espelita. Wow, lakas pa rin ng palo. Out of position na. Bowley.
Adlib.
Adlib talaga yun. Espelita, naabangan ni Malyari pero hindi na makukuha. Sara Espelita, again, she needs to be a factor if Letran needs to get their first win. 3-2 Letran.
Well, this is the rotation actually na gusto ng San Sebastian na they almost made the comeback in the second set.
Right. Bowley. Lacerna. Montejar. Espelita again.
So I can see Roses actually telling Crisostomo what to do, telling Verbano what to do.
Alam mo kanino skill set na nakikita ko dito kay Sara Espelita? It's a very young Angela Benting. Yung kanya skill set. Not to mention Vec Mangi also as Bowley hits into the net. Mas Vec Mangi, ano?
Oh, mas Mangi nga eh.
5-2.
Well, you know, San Sebastian has got to improve also on their service reception.
Here is Bowley. Off speed. Nicely done.
Well, if you can't get yung set na gusto mo, you really just have to make two.
Saka minsan di mo na kailangan pilitin. Kung alanganin yung set, ipasok mo na lang.
Oh, that's true.
And Bowley is smart enough to understand that. Malyari. Lacerna. Nice attack. Ayan na naman si Espelita. Mas matangkad lang si Vec Mangi sa kanya ng konti pero pareho skill set nila.
And she also has been playing very well for Letran.
Right. 6-3. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Bowley! Napakiti na lang si Melissa ko.
Nakita ko rin.
Paano to?
Tsaka siya nag-sorry. Nakita mo.
Paano to? 6-4. Bowley now in the back, but the jump serve is there. Mondejar. Ku. May Crisostomo. Trish. Jolina. Long.
Another hitting error by San Sebastian. I don't want to look at their error department.
Nataas na naman yan at the rate they're going. Jamaica Villas. May. Trish. Sue. Ganun lang simple ang kombinasyon nila. May, Trish, Sue. May, Trish, Sue. Habang nasa harap si Sue, syempre.
Oo. Pero may option. They always have that option na nasa likod si Boli.
Oo. Actually, Boli, very good floor defender sa likuran.
Which, oh,
Ilag si Boli. Parang Matrix eh, oh.
pero di ba she developed that lang in the years here in the league? Dati,
Habulin niya yan eh.
Oo, hindi. Dati her floor defense wasn't that great.
Ay,
but She
oo.
improved on it.
Siya nga yung target ng mga serve eh. Dati. Opia, Espelita. Late ang reaction sa pagtayo. That's a good serve though, coming from Trish Crisostomo, who must weigh about 70 pounds. Ayan o. Mukha bang 18 sa inyo?
Grade school nga
Oo,
eh.
grade school. Oh, wow. Abang na abang si Sue Roses doon. 8-7 San Sebastian. Another close third set.